Today we are installing our BMW M2, a active Autowerke downpipe, and I will show you the sound comparisons before and after with my personal thoughts at the end of this video. So this is an active Autowerke high flow catted downpipe, made in Miami, Florida. This promises to deliver better sound and airflow through the cat while not giving you a check engine light, like the catless downpipes do. And the total cost to Europe with the import tax was $1,184. Installing it at a local workshop took an hour, and the process was pretty easy. Remove some of the covers under the engine, then unbolt the old downpipe from the bottom and deattach the harnesses from the top. Pop in the new one and bolt it all together. The fitment was not perfect, but we got it to fit decently. But here are the sound tests before and after installing it. So, from the first impression after installing it, the sound seemed to be the same, but after going for a small drive, I realized a lot has changed. Starting with the sound in the car, the exhaust sound seems to be the same, but just louder with more aggressive bobs and bangs. But when you listen to the car from the outside, you can hear the biggest difference. It sounds a lot more aggressive and louder from the outside, compared to what it was before. Which is cool for the people that I drive by, they get to enjoy this amazing sound from the N55 engine. When you get on the highway, the noise inside the cabin is pretty much the same. Maybe a small bit louder, but nothing annoying or too loud. One interesting thing though, when cruising at the same speed, the car is the most quiet in the sport setting. Not in comfort like it was before, which is pretty interesting. And there is no check engine light, like promised. So, is it worth it? Considering it makes the car more aggressive sounding and the downpipe itself is always worth something on eBay, I think it's definitely worth it.